So today we're going to talk about the Portland pressure washer, 1700 psi, 1.3 gallons per minute. We're going to talk about how we can make this into an easy, affordable foam cannon for half the price of an actual foam cannon. Let's get it. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much going to be showing you what comes in the box and then the two items that we will need to make this into a usable foam cannon. Alright, so we have your Portland pressure washer, and then you have your wand and the attachment for it. And then you have your hose that connects to the pressure washer, and then your foam cannon. Make sure you throw this away. Trash, horrible, get rid of it. Here. Alright, so to use this, after you get rid of the little piece of crap foam cannon, whatever it is, you will be needing two attachments. The two attachments are going to be your wand and then your cannon. I will leave the link for those in the description below. Once you get these off Amazon, it's not, I say the most it comes out to is like 30-35 bucks. Don't quote me on that. Once you get those, then you'll be able to use the foam cannon. Only thing you will need to keep is the wand itself, so that way you can wash the car with that one, and then you attach that to the foam cannon to make it, you know, foam up. Alright, let's get into the video of washing the car. I'm going to show you how the foam cannon works and the pressure washer works. Alright, so let's get into the video. Let's wash this car. Alright, so now that we finished rinsing the car, we're pretty much going to go ahead and attach the soap foam cannon part, and then we'll pretty much foam blast it, and I'll let you guys see how that works. So the soap I'll be using today, guys, is pretty much the Chemical Guys Extreme Body Wash and Wax. Great soap. I used it previously. Also, I'm going to go ahead and attach the foam cannon, as you see. Make sure you wash the dishes, for sure. It's cool to have big lips, but man, it's a bit. So yeah guys, the Portland pressure washer is something that I would recommend. The best bang for your buck. You will get what you spent out of it. It's going to be good for your detailing, small detail, big detail. But yeah guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram if you guys don't, VIPLS430. You guys have a good day. So what's up guys, just want to say thank you for all the love and support before we end the video. The page has been growing tremendously. I figured about doing a giveaway once we reach 100 subscribers. First giveaway would be a Chemical Guys Wash and Shine Kit. Perfect for detailing your guys' cars. But yeah guys, let's keep the page growing. Like, subscribe, share, and you guys have a good day.